Pretty exciting video here if you take a moment to watch it. This video is going to show our man William Wright's polishing. He's been doing work for us for several years now, and he is one of the best around for polishing wheels. What he's working on today is a special combination of some welds that have been custom stretched to be 16, 17, and 18 inches wide. These wheels take a ton of finish time to make happen. The effort, when you hear people talk about cutting a wheel, it's a lot of effort. You're literally cutting into the wheel to start with a very rough, coarse sandpaper, then to a finer sandpaper, then to a finer sandpaper, then to basically a wet sand, then a buffing with compound, then a buffing with polish, to make these wheels go from basically being gray, rough, and textured to a super smooth finish. Now on top of that, these wheels we had brand new in the box, but they had what's called box rot, where they had sat with the cardboard sweating for years and years and years. You can see all of the corrosion and pitting. And then of course the new piece of aluminum had no polish at all that was added to this wheel. So with some serious dedication, some serious time and effort, and of course the right machinery and a lot of practice, a lot of elbow grease, you can see what things look like. And it looks amazing when these things are finished. Very proud of my man right here. He puts his heart and soul into everything. He comes and cuts and buffs our tractor trailer wheels, truck wheels, roll back and tow truck fuel tanks. Anything I ask him to do, he takes care of for us, including getting the final cut and polish on a lot of the brand new Davis off-road production wheels that are built here, assembled, put together, and then that fine last little polish put on them to make sure they look like glass. Look at that finish. Amazing. I can't speak to how much time and effort gets put into these things, but he's a master at what he does. Thanks. Keep up the good work, buddy.
Are these Dre wheels?